So here we have this eHomeware privacy door lever. Now in this video, I'm going to give you a quick review of these handles and then let you know my experience having these installed for the past 5 months. Alright, so let's open this thing up. They come packaged pretty nicely, wrapped in bubble wrap. It comes with an instruction manual, this small box, and inside that box is the locking bar, and you can slide this piece here to fit a hole that's centered on 2 3/4 or 2 3/8. This strike plate, and then the strike box along with a couple screws. Then here's the door handle. Like I said, I got the one that locks. Pretty standard mechanism on the inside, just fits together like this, of course. I like how there's these 2 sleeves here that fit into these rods. They also help guide the screws in. And yeah, these things are pretty simple to install. The gold color on these is a little bit lighter than I was going for, but it still looks nice, and they worked pretty well for me. You can lock it from this side, then it won't open, but you can take something that's flat and twist it like this, and then it's unlocked and you can open it. But anyway, let me give you a closer look at the ones I installed, and then let you know how well they're working for me. Alright, so I'm using the handles on this door, this door, this door, this door, and this door. Now, like I said before, I've had these handles installed for about 5 months now, so let's take a look and see how they're wearing. This one's probably the worst out of all of them because it's the one I use the most, and it's actually held up pretty well. This part here is a little wobbly, but it was like that from the beginning. The only thing I really notice is a small scratch on the end of the handle here. There's no scratches on the inside of the handle though. This strike plate is definitely starting to get marked up a little bit though. You can definitely see a faint line forming there, but for 5 months of use on a strike plate, that's to be expected. But anyway, I'm pretty happy with these handles. I like the nice modern look they have, and they've held up pretty well.